In the last decade, the automotive industry has experienced unprecedented changes. The emergence of electric vehicles has really shifted the very products that we're manufacturing. While disruptions of supply chain, a changing workforce, and even the emergence of e-commerce has really evolved the way that we buy and procure products. And this has left us with some new challenges, but also a ton of opportunities. And many of these opportunities came to light from the innovative thinking that's happening within our industry. But innovative ideas don't always have a platform. Until now. My name is Lauren McCullough, and I'm co-founder and CEO of Tromml. And we're excited to announce our partnership with ACPN to launch the very first Mobilizing Ideas pitch competition at this year's AutoCare Connect conference. Now, this pitch competition is really here to highlight emerging ideas within the industry. They're not necessarily limited to businesses. It's really any type of innovative idea around a group, a meeting, or even an innovative product that you think can help solve a pressing challenge of tomorrow. We have more information about this application on the AutoCare website. Applications are going to be able to be submitted electronically, with finalists selected and able to present at this year's AutoCare Connect conference. The top prize will win a $500 award and recognition at the conference itself. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly, and we look forward to seeing you in Chicago.